Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It's Saturday morning. We're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey guys, all right, starting in box DF, so all the way over here today.
All the way over here.
Ugh, such a long one. All right, so these Croc sandals, I actually just picked these up retail arbitrage a few days ago for $10. I sold them for $35 free ship on Kitizen. They sold through the Kitizen Facebook program, so I thought that was cool because I hadn't gotten them cross-posted over to Facebook myself, so yeah.
Very nice.
And then I'm gonna ship those out in a Halloween mailer because they are under £1. Since I said free ship, they cost $6.15 to ship out through Kitizen. All right, CW. So these Sorel Frozen Elsa snow boots. Got these at the Once Upon a Child haul the other day for $8.07, and they sold for $40.50 free shipping. Those ones are gonna fit in a padded flat, right?
In the way, Reese.
So, yeah. So $8.55 is gonna come out of the $40.50 for shipping, and then I had $8.07 into the boots. All right, DC, everything's over here today.
Reese's leaving us.
Alright, so these Teva sandals, I have $7 into them. Someone offered me $30 on Mercari. I was happy to accept, especially since we're out of summer now.
Yeah.
And those are going in FedEx Smart Post. I'm going to send them in a little eBay box. This was a full price Mercari sale. Love those. Some Koi by Sanita nursing clogs. I have $12.99 into those, but they sold for $60 plus shipping.
Oh, sounds like we just got another sale. I hand it over.
What do you think for these? I don't think these would fit in like this skinny one, right? Probably this box.
I think it would fit in the skinny one. That skinny one's similar to a shoebox.
I know, but they're like, just feels like so slim. Gotta fold stuff up just right. Yes, it fits.
Little packing paper in there, and it'll be good.
I like to save these for a little bigger stuff.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, so these boxes by eBay, we get with our coupons. So basically a 14 by 7 by 5.
Yeah, they're just a tiny bit smaller than the USPS shoebox.
Yeah, very close in size to the shoebox.
But yeah, that was a great sale. Right, and then I sold these Vans. About to knock everything down. So these, I have an average cost of goods this day $8.96, and had them listed at $40 plus shipping on Facebook, and someone asked if I do $35, so that was a good offer. Happy to take that. It was plus shipping, but I saw that she got free shipping. It looks like Facebook has like a promo out right now, so like that doesn't come out of my pocket, but it was nice for her because she only had to pay $35 for those.
Yeah.
And I need to go find something to buy on Facebook, maybe like a Christmas present or
Facebook
something.
today.
So that was Facebook, and then she paid for the label. Well,
For
it's a priority label, so I'm gonna use the shoebox for those.
So and another easy way to tell if you can use a priority box is if you look at the label, look at the top of the label, and if it has a P.
Yep. You can see like these are FedEx Smart Post labels.
The S is Smart Post. F is first class.
Right. So
first class cannot use any of the priority boxes.
Yeah.
Which is why you always see us using either boxes or mostly poly mailers.
Yeah.
So just a quick tip: if you've bought the label and you're wondering, you can kind of easily see what the label works, and that's kind of what the post office and employees look at.
Yeah.
If they notice an F on one of these boxes, it's pretty noticeable, and they'll pick it out. So
yeah, I see people do it all the time, whether it's they just don't know or whatnot. Like I get a lot of Kitizen orders. I assume they don't know. Kitizen is mostly like moms just selling their kids stuff, and
Yeah.
they just might not understand shipping.
Right.
So, yeah. Sometimes there's like, they'll get charged for that extra, or I don't know. So, just try not to do it. This is actually going out to our viewer, Teresa. Thank you so much. She bought this buffalo puzzle for $15 plus shipping on eBay. I sent her an offer, not knowing she was a viewer or anything, just saw I had a watcher.
Yeah.
So I hope you love that. I love buffaloes.
I think it was
Send
a
us
gift for someone, right?
I don't remember what the message said. If it's a gift, it's cool.
I'm pretty sure it was a gift
I was
for...
gonna say, send us a picture of it completed, but if it's a gift, you probably won't be there
Right.
when it's completed.
We appreciate your support, Teresa.
So much.
And I found that.
Yes,
In
Chris
the
did
fridge.
find that. I don't know. I know it's just going to be a 2-pound package. I could put it in the USPS, although I think it's too fat for a
Mailer box?
mailing box. Let's check. Maybe not.
I think it'll fit.
Just fit. Cool.
So we'll put some packing paper or bubble wrap in there.
Around that, and that's perfect. So thank you again,
Awesome.
Teresa.
Yeah, thank you so much for the support.
All right. Another viewer sale, CG.
Right in front of your face.
All right, so these are going out for Jennifer. I believe she said for her son. She saw these in our recent Once Upon a Child haul. So yeah, I had these listed on eBay, I think around maybe 30 or so plus shipping. I saw I had a watcher. I sent her an offer of 25 and she accepted. So
Those are cool.
thank you, Jennifer. Yeah, I love
I like those. I wish I could fit. Well, I don't really wish I could fit in Chuck Converse, but I have very wide feet, so I've never been able to fit in Converse shoes.
You can barely just wear a New Balance, and that's pretty much it. So, those are just gonna ship out in a padded flat rate. Hope your son loves them. My kids had those in toddler sizes. They were so cute.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the support.
Yeah. All right, and then we sold a pair of snow boots off the rack here, and I created a roadblock again. So.
Yeah. It's a daily occurrence. We're just sourcing.
Got 2 pairs of the same. These are the ones that sold size 3. I have 807 into these. They sold for 33 plus shipping on eBay. And I could have used like one of these USPS boxes, but there wasn't like a good size one for this specific thing, so I had priced out the label for this eBay box.
Yeah. I think we were looking at it. We could have done a 13 by 13 by 9, but
There's
we would
just
have
so
to
much
cut it
excess,
down and all this
It
stuff.
takes a lot of time to cut
Yeah.
boxes, so.
So we'll just use a box at what cost us a few cents because we
Yeah.
used the coupon for it. So
I like saving the eBay boxes for like smart posts, but
yeah.
sometimes it's just better to use something that fits well. All right, last but not least, shoe shelf faux. What am I doing?
They get mixed up.
I might have. This is those boots, Columbia size 3. Okay, this is Columbia bug. Okay, these ones are right here. All right, so these also sold $33 plus shipping. What are those ones sold for? 32 plus shipping. These sold for 33
Very similar,
plus shipping,
yeah.
although these ones are a better boot just because they're like a 400 gram insulation versus 2, so probably should have asked for more on these, but that's okay. I honestly just want to turn stuff pretty quickly, so 807 into 33 is about a $20 profit.
And those are the ones
Very
with like the
happy with
metal
that, yeah.
or the foil looking liner.
These are really, really nice, so yeah, and those are going out FedEx Smart Post, so another one of these boxes. Cool. I need to stop selling shoes so I can use my poly mailers. Maybe this week I'll list more like kids clothing and stuff, so
Yeah.
yeah.
And I think we've got some retail arbitrage stuff that we're going to be listing up
those are
soon.
small items, so.
Smaller poly mailer stuff. So we're going to get this stuff packed up, ready to go. Reese, you came back up, huh? What you doing? You ignoring me? Reese. Oh, hi. All right, we're going to get packing and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything all packed up.
Didn't even put these on.
Sorry. We're kind of running a little behind. It's Saturday, so we got to get our stuff out by 11:30.
We're just trying to get it there. I mean, we could always go to a different one, but we got stuff to do today. Don't want to
Yep.
go too far from home. Waste
But
time.
we did forget that we had that one sale come in and then another sale came in as we were packing up.
Oh, Reese, it's in BE. They're gonna think we're staging this. Hey, can I get in this box?
He's like, you gotta give him a tummy rub first.
Can I get in this box? Right behind you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Reese. Watch out, buddy.
Oh, there you go. Now you get the tummy rub.
All right, little guy. Oh, I love you.
You're a good boy.
All right, so I sold this Baby Gap floral bunting that was from my basically snow boat shoe haul as well. So 807 into it. Someone offered me 30. Happy to accept on Posh. So that's gonna go out. I think it'll fit in a regional B. Too puffy.
I think it'll fit in a regional B. Yeah. The fat one, right? Like
Yeah, this guy.
yeah.
I mean, if it gets pushed down, it's just closed. So.
Yeah.
All right, so that was that, and the other one that was the eBay.
Yeah, you gotta step over the roadblock.
What's on the shoe shelf? These guys. Some nice New Balance men's, regular old sneakers. These are size 4E, so super wide width. And yeah, they sold on eBay for $53.29 plus shipping. I have $8.99 into them.
Wow.
So really, really good sale.
Very good sale.
I noticed this buyer had like 39,000 feedback. So
Jeez.
I hope to be this buyer someday. But yeah, so that is today. It was a
Hopefully
good
that's not all from buying, though.
it seemed like he had maybe like a parts store.
Okay.
Maybe like car parts or something.
Yeah.
So it's a good business.
Yeah. So we'll get that stuff packed up off camera. Let me get over here where the light's not so crazy, but yeah, it is Saturday. We got to get this stuff off to the post office by 11:30 to get to our local post office. And then we have some other stuff going on today. One of the cousins is having a birthday, so we're going to go have a birthday party with the family. So that's going to be it for us for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.